Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to change the standby time on Monsieur Cuisine Smart. The standby time is the time of an activity on your device when you're not doing anything, after which the device will go into standby mode. To adjust this setting, you can click on the three lines in the top right corner, then go to Settings. Now you can find the standby time setting, and you can set it from 5 minutes to 15 minutes. And then if your device goes into standby, the screen will turn off, and then you can simply either press on the knob to turn it on, or I think touch on the screen, but I'm not sure about that one. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.